Well, the Trump administration facing criticism from private health experts for repeatedly connecting the spike in U.S. coronavirus cases to increased testing. The president also facing backlash for saying that 99% of the cases are harmless. Health experts say statements like these causes confusion. ABC's Alex Brachet has more from Washington.
As America's coronavirus infections continue to surge, the conflicting messages coming from within the Trump administration about the deadliness of the disease and the effectiveness of safety precautions is sowing confusion. Here was President Trump this weekend.
Now we have tested almost 40 million people. By so doing, we show cases, 99% of which are totally harmless.
The president said that 99% of coronavirus cases are totally harmless. Which members of the White House Coronavirus Task Force agree with that statement?
The president was noting the fact that the vast majority of Americans who contract coronavirus will come out on the other side of this.
A pivot from his press secretary. But FDA Director Stephen Hahn, while not refuting the president's false claim, didn't back it up.
You know, any case we don't want to have.
And another member of the coronavirus task force, Dr. Anthony Fauci, gave a direct contradiction.
The current state is really not good. It's a serious situation that we have to address immediately.
On Twitter today, the president continues to push the malaria drug hydroxychloroquine as a treatment for the coronavirus, despite several trials of the drug being halted due to its ineffectiveness against COVID. There are nearly 3 million confirmed cases in the U.S. The president has attributed that increase to testing. While administration task force members haven't flatly rejected that argument, private health experts haven't been so reluctant.
The reason we're seeing an increase in cases is because we're seeing an increase in infections.
And then there's the death toll. More than 130,000 lives lost. And with between 40 and 50,000 new cases in the U.S. each day, there are questions: can testing keep up? Sites like this, packed, supplies depleted, and labs backed up. In Arizona, many are frustrated by their inability to get tests, and some labs are taking as long as 10 days to return results. Quest Diagnostics says they can have results in 1 day for priority patients, but 4 to 6 days for all other populations. 10 states hit a record number of COVID-19 cases over the July 4th weekend. Alex Brachet, ABC News, Washington.